Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today we're going to do a taste test on these pumpkin seed tortilla chips by Mother's Farms. So we're going to give these a try. My sister got these and asked me to give them a try, so let's see here. They come with it's 140 calories per serving, and about 9 chips is a serving, so that's, and 2 grams of sugar and 115 milligrams of sodium. So we're going to give these a try and see how they turn out. Let's see. Well, at least they're gluten-free. Yeah, nice pumpkin smell. Let's go ahead and these are the chips. Yeah, they do look a little rugged. They're not bad, but they're not all that great. It's almost like there's something missing when you try to taste it, but and they got a really grainy feel to it when you're eating them. And they smell better than what they taste, but yeah, I think they just need a little bit more of a pumpkin taste, but well, with dip and stuff it'd be alright. Alright, well, like I said, these are okay. I don't know if I wouldn't go hugely crazy about them, but these are the pumpkin seed tortilla chips by Mother's Farms. Just have a real grainy feel, and it's almost like there's something missing when you taste into them, but I can't really figure out what it is. But alright, well, guys, leave a comment below, and well, let me know how you feel about these if you've tried them. And also, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do taste test videos like this. I also do cooking videos as well, and I do some sightseeing and adventure videos. Well guys, I'll see you on the next video. You guys enjoy the day that the Lord has given you. Alright. A little bit more things. Something really missing.